just unplug the connector, and there's the engine switch. Clockwise. Just loosen it. Okay, it's leaking a bit. Original engine switch. Okay, there's a bit of RTV on the threads, which I'm going to use. And now I'm just going to tighten it. Might take a while.